almost like we've done it before.
We just watched the YouTube videos.
I watched these two morons on YouTube.
All right, road trip mission today on the weekend. I got the RX with that new disc. I'm headed over to Phil's farm to help him out. He's already planning for next year. So we're gonna try that disc out if we can get it up and running. The quick attach doesn't work on it, unfortunately. It's a class 2 and the spacing just ain't right for the quick attach. So we're gonna have to take that apart and go old school and try to get the old 3-point linkage hooked up. So join us for some fresh air. It's supposed to be 89 today, and it's October 5th. Yeah, October 5th. 89 degrees. Woo. All right, let's get some fresh air. So we're gonna go do some deer blind chores first. What are we gonna do, move a blind?
Yeah, so we're gonna go and take one of the Hughes blinds. We're gonna take it and remove it from the oat alfalfa plot we're gonna put in this afternoon. Take it, move it to another location. We're gonna take my last remaining Banks blind and we're gonna move that over the top of that because it'll be a great rifle spot later in the season because it's set up for an east wind, or you're just gonna have to have the unit closed up and open the windows once deer come out. And then this afternoon we'll start busting some dirt open, and we're gonna do a combo. We're gonna do a deer chore and a farm chore all at once. We're gonna turn this into an alfalfa farm, and so I want to see, I've got some older alfalfa seed. I want to see if it germinates. If it takes off, then I still got some more seed that's good. If it doesn't, then I know the other seed's no good. So in the spring when I plant all 10 to 15 acres, I don't waste my time, effort, and seed, and just get it all done at once. So that's what our plan for today is.
All right, rock and roll, man. All right, I'm following Phil. I'm gonna show you how he moves these blinds around with a mid-sized tractor. He's got an NX 55 horse. But I could have got the gate for you, but he uses this IBC tote, like milk crate thing, and that's how he lifts and gets the clearance to get them and move them around. I said to Phil, I said, want me to close it? He's like, no, the cows will stay in. I'm like, yeah, what about the deer? You want them to stay in too. Do the outdoor stuff early here in the morning since it's going to be almost 90 today. He does have that IBC tote strapped onto his forks.
Got to take the ladder off first.
Okay. There's two bolts up at the top. This is a 10-foot tower and ladder. He's got it figured out. Put these bolts in here so we can use them. All right, he said there's stakes in the ground, so I may need to try to yank on them, but first he's going to try it. So this is a 10-foot tower. for me. Did you want the tote flat on the bottom?
It won't get flat.
It won't get
too big.
Too
it's
big.
Too wide one direction.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, it's one of those acceptable losses.
Yeah, all right, I get it.
All right, can you pull the stakes so I'm not dragging them in? I think this has got one on all fours.
Yeah, I need a little more on that one. Whew. All right. 2 of these stakes are extra long.
Don't be scared.
Yeah, well, when you hear it flopping around up there over the top of your head. All right, we're gonna move this thing. All right, we'll check back in when we get closer. I get it. Look at how tall that is, and it is windy this morning, and it's going to be windier with this heat. Wow. Yeah, most likely all of my new plots are going to burn up. Now we're having heat for like 3-4 weeks straight and 10 degrees above normal. What was that? Something fell off. Oh, his wasp bomb fell out of there. All right, keep going. Oh man, let's see if he fits through here. Alright, we got a big oak branch right here. You're good, just watch your feet there, you're almost gonna touch on the front. You got room. Yeah, you got room. You're good. Yeah, just watch when you hit that bump there, but you still got 2 feet above it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you're good. All right, so Phil is replacing that spot with a new Banks blind, and so this is an overflow plot. You know, he's got 165 acres. Always, you know, like me, trying to make it lay out bigger. This is going to be like a plot close to the house. He's going to be planting, you know, where you can maybe shoot a doe or two, or if somebody comes hunting that maybe isn't that good at scent control kind of thing, you got a place where you can kind of park them. Where they won't, you know, disrupt one of your best food plots where you got a mature buck coming in. That kind of thing. Let me watch pulling it out. You almost caught them X braces the first time with your forks. Can you go back a little? Okay, now go down. Yeah, you're good. Nice. Now the big boy. Nice. All right, you'll notice he's backing all the way down since it's downhill.
Who's going backwards, Phil or Kapper?
Don't want to roll your tractor. Alright, so the house is to our left, so that's where he wants the ladder on this side. Not half bad. Sweet. I call dibs. Phil, pro staffer Phil. At this moment, you only had one job to do. That was just set up the camera and just leave it roll. Let's see how this is gonna go. Yep, there goes the money shot camera angle right down the tubes. All right, just like that, the ladder was prefabbed.
It's almost like we've done it before.
Maybe. No, this is our first one. We just watched the YouTube videos.
I watched these two morons on YouTube.
Uh-huh.
How hard could it be?
Exactly. Exactly. I might need a hunting spot, you know, since I sold off a couple of mine, so I might be over here.
Sold off a couple of your what?
Hunting spots.
Your hunting spots. You sell some?
Alright, here we go. Mission number 3 for the day at Phil's farm. First time ever using this new 8-foot disc. I don't have any weight on it. It's 1,700 pounds. Now keep in mind, we are trying to tackle